Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faisi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about aromatic compounds. So let us learn to dream gentlemen and then perhaps shall learn the truth. Kekule. Aromatic compounds. Kekule fall asleep while sitting in front of fire. Dream about chains of atoms in form of twisting snakes. One of the snake caught hold of its own tail, forming a whirling ring. Kekule, awake, freshly inspired, spent remainder right working on this now famous hypothesis. Now, aromatic compounds. The term aromatic compounds was first used by Kekule to classify benzene and its derivatives. Benzene and its derivative, many of which possesses fragrance and aroma. According to new fact, aromatic is associated with the chemical stability rather than aroma. So aromatic is used for series containing benzene ring, may be called as arenes and derivatives. Include hydrogen carbons, ketones, aldehydes, amines, and ethers. Benzene and its derivatives constitutes the most important class of arenes, aromatic hydrocarbons, aryl groups by dropping hydrogen atom from ring, aryl alkyl groups by dropping hydrogen from side chain. So friend, halogen atom bonded direct to benzene ring, aryl halides, or bonded to side chain, aryl alkyl halides, are aromatic halogen compounds. One OH group of sulfuric acid is replaced by aryl groups. Compounds are called aromatic sulfonic acid. So, derivative of aromatic hydrocarbons, hydrogen atom is replaced by NO2 group are called aromatic nitro compounds. Compound containing OH group directly attached to ring are called phenol. Hydrogen atom is replaced by amine groups. Aniline give reactions same as aliphatic amines. And compounds containing COOH group directly attached to the ring are called aromatic carboxylic acid. So aromatic aldehyde CHO group attached to benzene ring directly, and aromatic ketones carbonyl groups attached to two aryl groups or any aryl and alkyl groups. So you can see the benzene, you know the molecular formula C6H6, no state chain structure is possible, all carbon atoms are sp2 haptides. Identification test for benzene, gas chromatography used to identify benzene, xylene, toluene, compounds that can be vaporized without decomposition. Reaction with KMnO4, benzene will not show reactions as it doesn't oxidize, while methylbenzene will discharge color by oxidizing to acid. Introducing a glowing splint will burn with a smoky flame. Now friends, add concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid to benzene at 55 degrees Celsius. Yellow oil with bitter almond smell produce nitrobenzene. So benzene and other aromatic compounds are readily obtained in large quantities from coal and petroleum. Benzene and some other hydrocarbons can also be obtained from petroleum by special cracking methods. Some of the methods generally used for the preparation of benzene are as follows. Now, general method: dehydrations of cyclohexane, acetylene, alkane, preparation in the laboratory, Wurtz-Fittig reactions. You know friends, when cyclohexane or its derivative is dehydrogenated, we get benzene. The reaction is carried out by the use of a catalyst, PT or platinum or palladium at the elevated temperature. From acetylene, you can see benzene is formed by passing acetylene under pressure over an organonickel catalyst at 70 degrees Celsius. From alkane, benzene and toluene are also prepared by passing the vapors of an hexane or an heptane over a mixture of catalyst, Cr2O3 and Al2O3 plus SiO2 at 500 degrees Celsius. So you can see the N-hexane chromium oxide, Al2,3, benzenes. If you have normally heptane, methyl cyclohexane, and toluene. So, preparation in the laboratory. Benzene can be prepared by only of the following method: by heating sodium salt of benzoic acid with soda lime. You can see the formation of benzene. By distilling phenol with zinc dust, you will get the benzenes. By hydrolysis of benzene sulfonic acid with superheated steam, or by boiling with dilute HCl, you will get the benzene. Wurtz-Fittig reaction. The Wurtz reactions for the synthesis of alkane was extended by fitting in 1864 to the synthesis of alkyl aromatic hydrocarbons. You can see the reactions. So now physical properties. Benzene is a colorless liquid. Benzene is soluble in organic solvent but immiscible in water. It is an aromatic compound, so it has a typical aromatic odor. Benzene is highly inflammable and burns with sooty flame as compared to the alkanes and alkenes, which usually burns with a bluish flame. Its vapor are highly toxic, which and inhalations produce loss of consciousness. Benzene poisoning in the longer run can provide fatal, destroying red and white blood corpuscles. So benzene is lighter than water. A specific gravity is 0.87 gram cubic centimeter. It has high melting point. It has moderate boiling point. For homologous series, melting point increases with increasing molecular mass due to van der Waals forces. All carbon-carbon bonds are equal in length. Bond angles is 120 degree. Each carbon is sp2 hybridized. Benzene also shows responsible resonance that it can exist in the different form based on the position of double bonds, and this property of benzene makes it stable. That is why benzene does not undergo addition reaction readily, but it undergoes substitution reactions. Now chemical properties of benzene. Reactions of benzene: electrophilic substitution reaction, addition reaction, and oxidation reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Benzene undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. The benzene ring with its delocalized pi electrons is an electron-rich system. It is attached by electrophiles giving substitution product, and these reactions can be represented as, where E plus is any electrophiles, such reactions in which hydrogen atoms of aromatic ring is replaced by an electrophiles are called electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. So halogenation. Benzene react with bromine in the presence of LBr3, FeBr3 at room temperature to form bromobenzene. Iron powder can be used in the place of ferric chloride. So this is the mechanisms of brominations. You can see this carbocation is resonance stabilized. Nitration. Benzene react with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at 60 degrees Celsius to form nitrobenzenes. Mechanism of nitration. You can see nitric acid, nitronium ion, then this compound forming, which is nitrobenzene. The nitro group can be reduced to an amino group if needed, Fe2 and OH minus. Sulfonation. Benzene react with Kong sulfuric acid at 120 degrees Celsius or fuming sulfuric acid at room temperature to give benzene sulfonic acid. You can see the reactions. See the mechanism: sulfur trioxide, or it is HSO4 minus. Then you can see the attack of benzene ring, benzene sulfonic acid. Friedel-Crafts alkylations, you can see in the presence of AlCl3 mechanisms. Drawback of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. It is useful in the synthesis of certain alkyl benzene. The reactions has two serious drawbacks. It is difficult to stop the reactions when one alkyl group has entered the ring. Di and trialkyl benzene are also formed. The alkyl group often tend to rearrange, and for example, you can see the formation of isopropyl benzene. So Friedel-Crafts acylations. The benzene reacts with acid chlorides in the presence of aluminum chloride to give aromatic ketones. You see benzene, acetyl chloride, acetophenol here. the acyl cation. This is the structure of acyl cation. How acyl cation attack on benzene and forming the products. Now for additions products, additions of hydrogen. Benzene reacts with hydrogen in the presence of nickel platinum at 150 degrees under pressure to form cyclohexanes. Additions of halogens. Benzene reacts with chlorine in the presence of ultraviolet light to form benzene hexachloride. Benzene hexachloride is a powerful insecticide. Oxidation reaction. Ozonolysis. Benzene reacts with ozone to give triozonide, which on treatment with zinc water yield oxals. Vapor phase oxidations. Benzene undergo oxidation with air, oxygen in the presence of vanadium pentoxide at 450 degrees to form maleic anhydrides. Now friends, I will discuss from other parts of this lecture in next video. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.